Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongïalehkai jong ka Sorkar Jylla haka shitarik ujumang arhaja apusan kalasam Baibam shaki Nongïalehkai ke belawan ra buram ya ka Jylla lingba ka Chief Minister's Sports Scholarship Scheme arhaja apusan ha State Convention Center Shillong haka nigasni layadan lang umintri rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma kum ukongsan kumju umintri ka Nongïalehkai uba Shakliar Warjeri kum usembut kongsan u Director ka Nongïalehkai UDD Shira Working President ka MSOA uba John F Khashiyang bat kiwei haka nekasni la sam shaki hindrus pakat sangut ki khna jong ki arpunyo tuli ki jat Nongïalehkai haka jingdot ka basan Klur arpusaulak khandai bupra hajar sanspatingka haba ai jingkran haka nekasni ukon rat sangma ulapen pau bagi Nongïalehkai kila nangkiu shaprang nadu ka hnyos nam shaneng hapo ka jingalam ka Sorkar MDA haka baki Nongïalehkai ki balayo ya kala jingerap kusnam ki bahe bat ki baya pher bunsha na ka balong haki por ka jingsen shar da ka pat ka Sorkar haka pat kalyang uba Shakliar ulapen pau ka jingiro ya ka ni ka Sorkar MDA kabalala ban pen urlong ya ka Jylla bakan pelong haka sin ka baningkong ya ka National Games haus nam arhajar arpunyo te kumta ulakentu ya barok ki khna ya lekai bakin nang yai treshitam nang nish khmat khnang bakin yo banishim benta ha ka National Games badru ban khurtakma ya ka Jylla
Up next we will have representatives. In front of me, you have the Meghalaya. Up next, we have the Meghalaya Chess Association. To come forward, I also call upon Sri Jeffrey Warlampi. I call upon the representatives of the All Meghalaya. Congratulations to all the awardees. I call upon the Jiu-Jitsu Association.
The entire ecosystem has in a way moved forward and grown since the last 7 years of our MDA government. I remember in 2018, the different association members had met me. John Karshing had met me. And they had shared a very depressing, I should say, picture of the kind of environment around in the sports sector that was there. I'm not trying to compare or to blame anybody, but I'm just stating some of the facts that I was told to them. And I remember them mentioning to me that there is no sports policy in the state. The different awards that are given to our youngsters after winning medals is bare minimum. Even the categorization of the amounts that are given for winning medals at the national level, the national games, is bare minimum. The support structure or the financial support given to the associations is negligible. Hardly any funds were given to any of the associations to conduct their programs. There was no infrastructure or not enough infrastructure in most of the cases that were there. Most of the disciplines that were there. Meghalaya Games in the last 48 years at that point in time, in the last 48 years, was held only twice in our state. And when you heard that story at that point in time, I'll tell you, I looked at that and, it's almost like a sports person looking at a challenge in front of you and saying, wow, this is going to be a real uphill task. And it was an uphill task. But then we started like any other sports person would do. The sportsmanship spirit that we have. That every long journey starts with a single step. If you wait for the biggest things to happen in life, it will never happen. But when you start the journey and taking the first few steps, when you start practicing a particular sport, In the beginning, it may look very difficult. But as you keep moving forward, as you keep practicing day in and day out, the momentum comes in. You start feeling that inertia. And before you know it, you're able to compete at the national level. Slowly you're able to win medals at the national level. And the journey for the sports sector has been very, very similar to that. Today, we are here distributing scholarships to our sports persons, athletes who have done well in sports area. Of course, I'm not saying that we're able to give large funds because we do have constraints. But what is important about this particular program and the scholarship that we're giving you, there are two things to it. The first is, of course, a financial support that we would like to share. Sometimes we feel that amount is too small, but there is no amount that's too small. Even small amounts can make a big difference if used in the right manner. And therefore we feel strongly that financial support should be given in whatever way possible, and what better way than to give the sports persons who have achieved something because of the hard work they've done in the last many, many years, support them through scholarship, through financial aid. And the second is really simply about recognition. I have always believed that a small pat on the back of any individual, telling the person that we are proud of you, you have done great, continue to work hard, can be one of the greatest motivations you can give to anybody to be able to achieve maybe the highest goal which even he or she thought was impossible.
And today we have more than 25 art shooters. We have different sports indoor stadiums. All of these infrastructures that the government is committed to giving for the betterment of our youth and our athletes. It is not because that it makes us happy, but it is something that the government has taken, that we have kept in our mind, that it is not to make us happy, but it is for the need of the hour for the youths and the athletes of our state. As we all know, under the leadership of our dynamic Chief Minister, for the first time in the state of Meghalaya, we will be hosting the National Games. That is something that we should all be proud of. And the journey to hosting the National Games, it's not easy. It's not like, you just want to host the National Games and it happens. There's a lot of things that needs to be done. And like I said, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have been able to do that. And then again, the preparing the process, the 2 years, 3 years. And during this period of time where the government is preparing, I would also like to urge every athlete of our state to not only wait for the government that what we are preparing, but then from your end as well, you should be prepared, be dedicated, practice hard. The government is there, we will be working hard to ensure that you are provided with the best, but we also want your commitment, because we want to see, as the host state, we want to see you win medals for our state. That is something that, we as a government, we dream of. But in order to achieve that, there should be some sense of commitment to it, and we should work hand in hand. So I can assure you that from the government side, we will do the best we can, but like I said, we need to work hand in hand in order to achieve all of this.